In week 9, we turn to chapter 15, which deals with stabilization. So here's the idea now, as we're getting into kind of the closing weeks of this class, is that now that we have an understanding of the data that we have, and we have an understanding of how the economy is working through the aggregate demand and aggregate supply curve, then what we need to do is talk about the extent to which and how we should intervene in the economy. So stabilization basically means how do we reduce the degree of the fluctuations. And what we talk about in this chapter is the fact that as we get involved and try to stabilize the economy, there are problems that emerge, that it takes time for policies to become enacted, the time it takes to um, have a action work its way through the economy to get us to that point. And so we look at those kinds of delays and inefficiencies that come from trying to stabilize the economy, and then trying to highlight the fact, though, that it usually becomes worthwhile to try to actively stabilize the economy rather than doing nothing at all. And this becomes then kind of the cornerstone of what it means to be a Keynesian or even neo-Keynesian economist.